Yo, what it is, what it ain't, what it might be. It's your boy Trey Rivers, and today we got another video. Today, I'll be telling you about my 5 tips to keep your car running smooth for a longer time. Yes, sir. Change your motor oil regularly. Yes, sir. And make sure you use the oil that's specified. For my car, it's SAE 5W30. Next tip is gonna be stay up to date on your power steering fluid. On my car, it's right up in here. You just take it off and check it. You see what I'm saying? And you're gonna see it say add right there. So if it get low and it ain't wet right there, you need to add some more. And then you just, you know what I'm saying, put it back up on there, twist it, yes sir. And when you check your power steering fluid, it's supposed to be red. So if it's black, you need to change it. That's not good. If any of this is black, that's not good. It don't go in black, you know what I'm saying? And when your power steering pump need to be changed, it'll make a squeaky sound when the car running. I know you know it if you know it. You know what I'm saying? It'll be squeaky. You start it up, it'll squeaky. Yeah, steering fluid right here. You ain't even got to change it that regularly. Just every 3, 4, maybe 5 years. Just keep up to date with it. Keep checking on it. Make sure that shit ain't black. Yeah. Next thing you're gonna want to do is stay up to date on your cooling. You can get some cooling like this that you don't have to mix, or you can get some that go for all vehicles that's gonna be pre-mixed. Some of it be 50-50, some of it, you know what I'm saying? Just get whatever works best for your vehicle and make sure you stay up to date on cooling so that your car can stay cool and you don't be overheating out here, you know what I'm saying? Next thing you're gonna want to do is check your transmission fluid. And make sure when you check your transmission fluid, the car running when you do it. Now you just gonna pull this out, and then you just see that like that. It's supposed to be red. It's red. How it came in, that's how it come out. Now if it's black, it needs to be changed. Just make sure you stay up to date whenever you get low on transmission fluid, the transmission gonna start slipping. You're gonna start to feel it. So if it starts slipping, you might not need a new transmission yet. Just make sure you fill it back up before you end up needing a whole new transmission. You come out almost $2,000 where you can just get a bottle of transmission fluid for $5 to $20. You feel me? But yeah.